Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're putting the Aiyima T3 Pro Phono preamplifier to the test. If you're a vinyl enthusiast or just getting into the hobby, this is a great piece of gear you'll want to know about. But can this small preamp outclass my DIY VSPS Phono preamp or the built-in Phono Stage in my Rotel RC-1090 preamplifier? Stay tuned and I'll give you my take on it after this. Now, I don't have the most high-end vinyl setup, but I imagine most people interested in this product will have similar quality setups. I run a Project Davia record player with an Autophon OM10 stylus and a cork mat on the platter, both significant upgrades from the factory setup. When I first got this turntable, I didn't have a Phono Stage or one built into my amplifier, so I built my own using a design called the Very Simple Phono Stage or VSPS from RJM Audio. I used the best possible components, including matching resistors and an external power supply with a toroidal transformer. This DIY Phono Stage served me well over the years, outperforming the Phono Stage in the Iota VX SA3 integrated amplifier I acquired later. I'll leave a link in the description to the RJM Audio website if you're interested in building your own. Since my Iota VX SA3 started having issues, a topic for a later date, I upgraded to separate components, including a Rotel RC-1090 preamplifier and a Cambridge Audio 840W power amplifier. The built-in Phono Stage of the Rotel will be my point of comparison with the Aiyima T3 Pro. The Aiyima T3 Pro is a sleek and compact phono preamplifier designed to boost the signal from your turntable to your amplifier or speakers. It's perfect for anyone looking to enhance their vinyl listening experience. The T3 Pro has a sturdy aluminium chassis that looks great. It's small enough to fit into any setup, but it feels substantial and well built. Featuring quality RCA sockets, a toggle on-off switch, LED power indicator, and tactile gain and volume knobs. It also has a convenient ground connector and is powered by a 12-volt AC wall adapter included in the box. Sticky feet on the bottom keep it secure on the surface. Setup is simple. Connect your turntable to the input, the output to your preamp or integrated amplifier, and secure the ground wire. The dip switches on the bottom allow you to set the gain and high pass filter options. For this review, I'm using the moving magnet setting as my turntable requires it. You can also swap out the op amps to fine-tune the sound to your liking. I set the gain to match the levels of the other Phono Stages I tested. Right out of the box, the Aiyima T3 Pro sounded much better than the built-in Phono Stage of the Iota VX, with more detail and clarity. However, when compared to the Rotel sounded more accurate. The Aiyima might have a slightly bright RIIA curve, which can become fatiguing over long listening sessions and sound sharp at higher volumes. Comparing both to the DIY VSPS, the VSPS has much tighter and punchier bass, smoother mid-range, and a top end that's slightly bright but not fatiguing. Given that I use top quality components in the VSPS, it's no surprise that I still prefer its sound. The Rotel is a 20-year-old design, but its Phono Stage still competes well with the Aiyima. Considering the Aiyyima's $99 price tag at the time of this video, it's an excellent value, especially for those that budget with budget integrated amplifiers or no Phono Stage at all. I really enjoyed testing the Aiyima T3 Pro. If you're looking to upgrade your vinyl setup without spending a fortune, this little device will certainly enhance your listening experience. I will leave affiliate purchase links in the description below. Thanks to Aiyima for sending out this unit. Thank you for watching. Please support me further on Patreon or through YouTube membership. Like and subscribe, and until next time, adios.